push you, baby. Come on, baby. Stop beating around. Let's get it on.
Dance like we used to. I'll be making moves for romance. Do you
Choose me.
girl, we can get groovy with cold action and Bruce
Bruce man.
Worry, I ain't looking for groupies, but when I say I'm looking, I'll be returned loosely. So with your girlfriend screaming out hoopsie, like I was your boyfriend. This is and someday I might just choose to be, cause you're the type of girl that I wanna get to know. Best friends, so we probably gonna take it slow, though in the end we be friend or foe. Sometimes it feels so right to do what's so wrong, like tonight, so let's get it on.
You know what I'm talking about. Come on, baby. Yeah. Let your love come down. If you believe in love, let's get it on. Get it on, come on. Come on. If the spirit moves you, let me groove you. Let your love come down. I've been sanctified. Ooh. Let's get it on.
Thank you guys so much. This will be our last song. We have some amazing bands up. Imagine Dragons, Fictionist, Shark Speed, all the greatest musicians around. We're just happy to be able to share the stage with them. We are the Vibrant Sound. We're playing this Saturday at Velour. If you haven't seen us before, we're playing extended.